Here we come to the elevators at the Hilton Hotel in Houston, Texas, by the Houston Medical Plaza. Look at this. Both elevators are open. I'm gonna go ahead and take this elevator card. 8. These are Otis Series 2. I'm probably not going to film the main elevators because they got fully modernized. The main elevators got fully modernized. If you guys watched me for a long time, I originally came here when I was a kid. And I think I remember riding the main elevators as a kid, but apparently I didn't film these elevators.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, we got this one, finally. Let's get on this elevator here. The main elevators used to be exactly like these one. I think these used to be either Dover or Westinghouse, but I don't know for sure. But I remember these used to have the white buttons before. I think I just missed that classic leveling. If you guys have watched my older video when I filmed the main elevators before they were modernized, please disregard me saying that these used to be Dover. I'll go for one more. I want to see the classic leveling. And listen to the motor too. Floor seems a bit rattly. Barely classic levels. All right, down to one end there. You're welcome.
Dice que no se deje el carro. Que no se deje el carro.
Got a perfect non-stop ride before we pick up people. Anyways. Yeah, that floor needs a bit of work. But anyways, I think these elevators are going to stay on peak up. So with that being said, thanks for watching, and that'll be it.